Okay, replacing these plates is as easy as undoing these 4 screws and removing it off the unit and then replacing with a new one, and I'll show you that now. Okay, bolts removed, and that's all it is. And you can see the holes where they came in, they're the outside holes basically. And you can just bin that and get a brand new replacement to make it look new again. Okay, and to replace it, you basically line up with these holes which you had when you took it out. So you put it there and you spin it until it sits in there nicely. You can see it's smooth against the tyre. It's lined up with each of the holes. So you re-put the screws back in. Okay, and then you need the blades, they're called, to finish it off. So as you can see, they got a hook on that end there. Basically push it in and snap it down. Easy as that. So you have 3 red and 1 grey, which actually acts as a bit of a buffer bumper, and that's the one that usually gets ripped off. It still survives, you can clip them back on, but it sticks out a little bit to let the rider know that you're actually flush. Look, so if you see, it's flush with that. So you're right up to as close as you possibly can be. It's like a little warning one. It's designed to get ripped off if you nudge along something. So that's all good. That's all put back together again.